90 Day Fiancé? Varya shares update on Geoffrey's retrial after sentencing. Former 90 Day Fiancé cast member Geoffrey Paschal is in prison for assaulting his ex-lover. Varya Molina gives an important update about his retrial. Former 90 Day Fiancé star Varya Molina has just shared an update on her boyfriend Geoffrey Paschal's chances of getting a retrial. TLC viewers may remember the 33-year-old Russian beauty and her on-screen beau from 90 Day Fiancé. Before the 90 Days Season 4, the duo got engaged during the season, but their journey never concluded as Geoffrey went to prison for his past crimes. He was found guilty of domestic assault, interference with emergency calls, aggravated kidnapping, and vandalism. Later in 2022, the court decided to sentence him to 18 years in prison without the chance for parole. While Varya has supported Geoffrey to the best of her abilities, 90 Day Fiancé viewers are happy that the former reality star is behind bars and can't hurt anyone else. Besides, most fans praised the judge for understanding the victim's emotions and giving a proper punishment to Geoffrey. They celebrated the decision by sharing positive comments and making memes online. In fact, many franchise stars have also applauded the decision, with the exception of his 90 Day Fiancé co-star Varya. Shortly after the sentencing hearing, Geoffrey filed a motion for a new trial, and he is now hoping for the best. A former radio presenter, Varya has shared a few videos on her Instagram stories to talk about how there were mistakes made during the original trial, and that the judge was very biased. She added that it is the same judge who would decide whether Geoffrey gets a retrial, and she thinks that the chances of that are slim to none. Varya said, "We don't have super big hopes." Still, she mentioned that if things turn out in Geoffrey's favor by some miracle, she'll go in her car and pick him up. Besides, Varya also thanked her loyal fans for sending their prayers and love, which meant a lot to her. Immediately following that, Varya gave more updates on the situation by sharing another Instagram story. She said that Geoffrey's lawyer had just informed her that there would be a delay in the motion for a new trial. She said, "So motion for the new trial was delayed for reasons nobody had the time to explain to her." The former reality star then shared that the hearing had been postponed, but nobody knows which date. Varya looked almost teary-eyed while she said that this whole thing had been such a stupid circus. This delay adds a few more weeks that will be crucial for Geoffrey and his lawyers to prepare the best case for him. Varya seemed visibly uncomfortable and sad about the delay, as it meant she would have to wait much longer for the decision. Hopefully, she will not let this issue interrupt her life too much. In the last couple of months, Varya seems to have kept herself happy doing the usual activities she enjoys. Many 90 Day Fiancé fans understand her love for Geoffrey, but they still don't think he deserves